President of the Republic of Timor Leste, in collaboration with the government of Timor Leste, is hosting the Science for Development Summit 2026, which will take over place 2 days starting from 24 and 25 August 2026.
That is the next stage of our struggle to determine our own future. It is now my great pleasure for Development Summit 2026 officially open.
The objective of the summit is to discuss science, technology, and innovation, and how these areas can contribute to and support sustainable development in Timor-Leste. The summit brings together more than 25 international Nobel laureates and as well as international scientists, experts, and innovators.